Welcome to this InterAcct demonstration on the Job Estimating Kitty module. The Kitty module is used under the detailed estimating part of the software to very quickly build up an estimate based on some formulas that we set up beforehand. I'm just going to jump into the Jobs menu here and into the kits. We can have any number of kits within the software. Each kit we give a code to and a description, and we work out what the unit of measure is for this kit. So I'm saying that this is to build a 1.8 meter high fence, and the cost is per linear meter. I then come into here and look at what components or costs would be involved in that. So we're going to have some labour, some sundry costs, concrete, post, some pine, and some bolts. I put in there the quantities of each of these that is going to be needed per linear meter, and then what it's going to allow me to do under the estimate is to be able to say, I've got a 22 meter long fence, how many posts am I going to need and how many of all the other components as well. So let's go back and have a look underneath a job here. So we're here under a new job to build a boundary fence. So if we come into the detailed estimating part of the system, create a new estimate, and we're going to create a section for the estimate which is going to be the fence. We can see that the estimate has got $0 against it now, so I'm going to come into attach kits, pick my fencing kit, 22 meters of fence. The system thinks for a short period of time, and then it's built my estimate here, so I can come underneath the other cost components, that is where things are normally manually set up, and see that it thinks that we're going to need 16.5 hours of labour. We're going to need all of the following components here, and the subbies and sundries as well. Now with these components you can see that it's suggesting that we're going to need 11 of these fence posts based on the conversion factors that we set up previously. But it is possible to pull this up and to say, look, I think we're going to need 12 posts based on the layout of how things are going to be, or perhaps I might want to put in there, a 15% wastage to cover wastage on that. We probably wouldn't have that sort of wastage on the posts, but we may have that on the panels that we've got on the job as well. So you can see very quickly that you can build up a detailed estimate in this way, and then obviously once we win the job, convert that through to a budget or run off and create quotations relating to that as well. If you're wanting to see more details about how the estimating works, have a look at the detailed estimating video that's here as well. Thank you.